Okay, check for the pro lights.
Bike number 181, Ambo Yaparcon.
Keras buat.
Number 6, Dondon Yuson. Number 1, Glenn Aguilar. 06, Jeven Lagrada. Number 2, Juby Sino. Bike number 14, Pipo Robi. Bike number 92, Wayne Yaparcon. Number 8, Winston Socorra. Number 23, J. Cirillosa. Number 26, Michael Gisbaro. Number 24, Noynoy Rellosa. Number 52, Romel.
Executive veterans to the waiting area. Proceed to the waiting area. Ayan, meron nila pa rin. KTM Access Plus, Carousel Orange, Glenn Aguilar. Ang team captain, Dondon Yuson, nasa likod, bigyan kasunod. Ang pangatlo, Joby Salad, GMS, Carousel Red. Joby Salad. And Wayne Yaparcon, ayan, bakbakan ni Wayne Yaparcon. Kinsa na kapila ba? Sino nasa likod ni Wayne? Ayan, nag-build. Third position, Joby Salad. Wayne Yaparcon, bakbakan ni sino na nasa likod ni Wayne?
Paulo. Ini nak Paulo.
Nag-joke, having fire, tanan doon ang nakadipulan, no? Cycles Unlimited. And of course, the Carlos Major Motorcycle Season Classic Pedro Mobile from Cebu. And Big Band Racing from People Big. And Davao, no? It's Brian Enoch behind the Wayne Yaparcon. And Michael Gisbaro, bakbakan ni Rellosa, no? Ayan. Novice Local. And also Sir Gary. No, nandiyan si Sir